This segment is powered by Speed Metal Engine Decarbonizing. The continuing Hot Cars Motor Show Series was recently held once again at the LTO compound of Las Piñas City. This event will be held every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday until December, while the awarding is done during the end of the month. Car, underbone, big bikes, and other vehicles were showcased, and of course, Stoplight TV is the exclusive media partner of this ongoing event. While we were there, we had the chance to converse with those who won in the different categories, as well as various car and bike clubs present at the event.
I'm Archie Magat of Las Piñas. Nanalo po ako sa category ng Best in Underbone, under Hot Cars at Motorbikes category. XRM 110. Balikin room ko yung mga parts niya, then airbrush. Tapos yung lowered sound setup. Saka linis sa yung detail. Pasalamat ako sa Footloose Car Wash, sa The Golden Pro Plating, sa Hot Bikes, then kay Ate Jeng, friend ng daddy ko. Yan. Okay.
Ako nga pala si Phil Bacolod. Ako yung presidente ng El Caviteño Motorcycle Club. Nagsimula kami noong February 16, 2002. And presently, may kami 50 members. Not necessarily taga Cavite ka. Pwede, basta yung mga nearby towns. Pinakamalayo namin, Parañaque, at dito. Tapos Tagaytay hanggang konting part ng Laguna. Nag-accept kami ng mga members. As long as desidido silang mag-join ng club. Kung gusto nyo mag-join ng club, kailangan naka-cruiser bike kayo. Then, drug test, importante sa amin kasi clean living kami. Makukontak nyo kami sa Imus. Meron kaming hangout doon sa Petron gas station sa tapat ng Pure Gold. Yan. Punta lang kayo doon every Saturday ng gabi. Yan. Ito yung number. Pwede nyo akong kontakin sa 0926-502-9528. Yan.
Hi, I'm Brian P. Consulta. Manalo ako sa People's Choice Award, Hot Cars category dito sa Las Piñas. Ito yung car ko. Ano siya? Nissan Patrol 91 model, classic. Color orange na yellow gold. Meron siya mga glitters, naka-wire wheels, tapos sound setup, kickers na 15-inch. Yan, tapos yung mga interior, kami rin ang gumawa. So, doon mismo sa sarili kong shop to ginawa, contour paintwork. So, siguro yung advantage ko sa ibang kotse, medyo classic na kasi yung sa akin. So, medyo old model siya. 91 model. So, talagang fully restored talaga yung ginawa namin. Talagang from junk siya up to the present. Ito yung first time kong nag-join ng mga car show events. Yeah, first time to, pero continuous na talaga. Tuloy-tuloy na akong mag-join sa mga events ng kotse.
At kahit malapit na ang Pasko, catch more groundbreaking motoring activities ditong-dito lang sa mas pinalakas na motoring and motorsports shows sa buong Pilipinas. Ito ang tunay na kabarkada mo. You're racing with Stoplight TV. This segment is powered by Speed Metal Engine Decarbonizing.